Come on, Sammy. Sammy, come. Hey, come on. Good boy. Yeah, there he is. All right, I gotta finish the railings going down the stairs. And there'll be another light post. Clean up a bunch of junk from the yard. There's the garden way out there. We gotta get lights for the tops of those 2 posts. Well, there'll be 3 posts. There goes Sammy, enjoying freedom. And he's got a nice big area to play in. There'll be a tree that'll grow in there someday. And, hey, don't eat that. Probably shit. And then we took out the slider and we put in a door and a window, a casement window, and a doggy door. And that'll be good once I get that finished up too. And there's a hummingbird feeder.